ITMS is Intelligent Transport Monitoring System in conjunction with the Ministry of Works and Transport.
Currently, John Stock set up a production line here in Kawempe, Tula, where we have production and installations of digital number plates. Production starts with receiving material. Some material are received from abroad. Before that material is taken out for production, the production supervisor has to receive the production plan. Once they are issued, he goes to the production. They start embossing. Embossing is stamping of the number plates depending on the production request and the plan. After embossing, they are printed depending on which number plate they are printing. All these digital number plates are embossed and printed here in Uganda.
Here at ITMS, we have a collaborative culture. There is a lot of teamwork amongst the teams where we get to support one another. Then there is also innovativeness at ITMS where we encourage all members to bring in all their ideas on board.
In digital number plates production and installation, we collaborate with quite a number of government parastatals. That includes NITA Uganda, MVR, URA, Ministry of Works, and UNBS.
More opportunities are going to be created to the Ugandans through putting out many installation centers throughout the whole country.